These are the top 4 animal friendships in nature. Number 4. The coyote and the badger. These two actually hunt together. The coyote chases prey above ground while the badger digs below. Teamwork at its finest. Number 3. The ostrich and the zebra. The zebra has sharp hearing and the ostrich has great eyesight. Together they keep each other safe from predators. Number 2. The capybara and everyone. The capybara is famously chill and social. It gets along with monkeys, birds, and even crocodiles. Number 1. The elephant and the dog. In sanctuaries, the elephant and the dog form deep bonds. They eat, play, and stay close like lifelong friends. Friendship in the wild is real, and sometimes it's better than ours.